Hey everybody, it's Gary here in the AI Wellness Universe. Today we are demoing the Instagram Post Creator. This app creates an image-based post for Instagram with hashtags and very short engaging text around a specific wellness topic. So to show you how simple this is, we're going to keep it really easy. So we're just going to put in wellness for the topic. I'm not even going to add a color. Let's see what we get. We'll generate results. So this is great for Instagram, for maintaining relevance or a presence actually on Instagram. You know, it's you want to promote your business, your brand on several different platforms, and Instagram is a really popular one. So this is very helpful in helping create content for Instagram. And as you can see, it's pretty quick and easy. So we just put in one word, wellness. Takes about 3 minutes, but normally it never takes that long. It's usually like less than a minute most times. So it should be generating something pretty quick for us. And I think you'll be amazed at the results and how easy it is to get quality content using the apps in the AI Wellness Universe. And let's see here. What's still thinking. So here we go. Wow, that was quick. Now look at these images. I mean, these are pretty stunning, pretty eye-catching. And here's some content to go with it. Have you discovered your ultimate activity for achieving wellness yet? You got some hashtags there. True wellness is the harmony of mind, body, and spirit. Hashtag inspiration. Hashtag balanced life. Hashtag mindful living. Did you know that regular meditation can significantly reduce stress levels and enhance your overall sense of well-being? Hashtag meditation benefits, stress relief, inner peace. I mean, this is amazing. I think it took maybe a minute and boom, you have stuff to work with. You have 3 different examples to choose from. Quick and easy. Anybody can do it. And I think you'll find it very helpful. So I hope you like this demo and that you are able to take advantage of this opportunity and to use our amazing apps in the AI Wellness Universe. So hope this helps everybody. Thanks for being here. Until next time, talk soon.